Alright, now this project here is a little bit of a pain in the butt, but this stud is busted off, and what I had done is I drilled into it a little bit, and I'm going to weld a little bit onto that stud, put this washer here, build it up around there a little bit, and then I'm going to put the nut on there, and hopefully I can back that off. This is worked for me 9 out of 10 times. So this is just a trick that I have learned from an old farmer. One of the advantages of working on a farm, you learn a little tricks of the trade like that. So I'm going to give it a shot. I have a little bit of a concern that that's in a little bit further than I would like. So it ought to get kind of interesting. Now what we'll do is we'll let that cool down a little bit, and then we'll put a wrench on it and see if it'll come out. Give it a try. Oh yeah, I can already feel it. Just work it a little bit here. Here it comes. Looks like it's going to come out of there with no problem. Don't bull right into it, just take it easy. Guess I could have done a better job welding around the nut, but oh yeah, it's going to come right out of there. I can feel it. Nice. Oh, I dropped it. But there it is. Look at that. Come right out of there. Yeah, it's all cooled down there, so I can kind of show it to you. So there's the bolt, and there's the nut that I welded on, the washer, and came right out. So it's kind of crude, but it does work. I've had real good luck doing it this way. So I hope this helps you out with your disaster. Thanks for watching.